Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS update stock problem. Sometime when updating an iPhone, the update gets stuck on preparing update, verification update or the Apple logo. Don't worry, this problem can be fixed. First, wait a few minutes. Sometimes the update may take time, especially if the file is larger. If nothing changed, after 20 to 30 minutes, move to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner, hold the Wi-Fi button and make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. A strong Wi-Fi network is required for the update. After that, you can also restart your iPhone. Press the volume button and the power button. Swipe it right to power off. This generally fixes the small issues. If the update is still stuck, delete the update file, go to the setting, tap on general, tap on software update and delete the update. After that, restart your iPhone and download the update again. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.